Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have prepared a solo tutorial for you. Have you ever been on stage, then you wonder what to play on solo? I have created a simple solo in the key of C, and I want to break it down for you to understand where the solo came from. And most likely, it is going to be from the rhythm, which I will show you shortly before I introduce the solo part. So very quickly, let us embark on the lesson we are to work on in the key of C. The first thing, as a beginner, identify where your chord C is. The first chord C is here. You can listen carefully and get the sound. That is the C. And I'm playing the solo. I have played the solo in the key of C. The chord progression is 1, 4, 5. So it means from C we go to the 4, which is F, and from F we go to G. So I've played C as an open chord. The other C is here. If you listen to that sound and again this other one, you realize that they are just sounding the same. Let's go to another C. Where do we identify another C? Here. That's another C. And even if we don't go further, there is an E shape of C. When we get the notes on the lower E string, E, F, G, A, B, C. So on that note, we have another C here. I'm just identifying the C's that we have so that we get the F's and the chord G's that are around it to play the rhythm, a short rhythm, then introduce the solo. Another C is here in the same. That's another C. So what do we do with this kind of knowledge? This knowledge helps you to play the solo. If you know where the C's are, you know where the F's are. The first F is here. The second F is here. The other F is here. The other F is here, please. Another F is here. Knowing all those F's will help you a lot. Let's go to G. Where do we get the first G in the open chord? There. Where do we get the second one? The third one? I hope you are getting to know that these chords, it is not magic. Anyway, if you find this tutorial fit for your education on guitar up to this point, please consider subscribing. Consider sharing the video to your friends, to any person, to any social media platform you know. Please let us grow this channel to a maximum of where God shall reach it. For the knowledge I dissipate here is God-given, and I believe if you do it the same way, the gospel shall spread. My phone number, one-on-one lesson, is 0792544905. Please consider that this lesson is going to help a lot of people who are playing in church. Most likely, knowing chord progressions is very important For you can be asked to play 145, you might not know where the 1 is. Even if you have been told the 1 is G, but now 4/5 might be a problem. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this lesson. Welcome back to the G, which we were getting its chords along the fretboard. The other G is here in the A shape. The other G is here. You get the sounding of these G's are just the same. So if you play a simple chord progression that I've just played it solo, so I'm playing C, F, C, C, F, C, G, C, F. So I'm just playing a simple rhythm like that. The same one can be played here. So when I play it here, I play this C. I play C, come to F, then play C again, come to G. I hope you are able to see how my fingers. So you can get the sound. The same thing I was playing here. Only that now, because it is on the lower E, the bass is too much. But the chord sounding is the same. You come to here. The G. But now, because it might not be easy on your side, you can identify the F here. This F. That is F. Then you can also play. So you see, this is F, this is C, then this is F, then again this is G. So they are just connected. They are just connected. This is C, F, then G. If you choose to have this other one, we have C, then we have F, then come to G. Then come to G. Or something like that. But now when we come to the solo part, which I am going to break down, I played this is a simple solo, but I have identified the C here. Here is my C. Here is my F. And here is my G. So when I hold my C this way, remember, if I play this F and G, there is another G here in the A shape. So if this G and this G sound the same, I play it as a broken chord and say, so the solo starts with the G. I play G as a chord, as a broken chord of A shape of G. I've played G, then on C, remember from G, when I do this, it is like I'm playing an octave, because this is G, this is another G. I'm playing an octave here in secret. Then I come to F. So I play G, an octave, then on F I play a pull-off, a several pull-off kind of. Just to add some flavor to it. So the breakdown is G, which is an octave because this is another note G. Then I add some melody within the octave. The C here, the C note here, I only pick these two notes. I only pick these two. I only pick then play F. Now you might wonder why I've not come to this G. I can add it. Or I can just play. I just play the. I'm playing the G still. G. So I play. So that is the breakdown of this solo. This is a simple tutorial. Please comment below any kind of video you want me to produce on guitar. I shall do it. Please visit my Venblue for the guitar CBC books. The guitar arranged there. The lessons are so much comprehensive, such that you start and end in pure knowledge and wisdom of playing guitar. Thank you very much. Please, my one-on-one lesson number is 0792 544 905. Welcome.